Yo, what's good everyone? Today we're talking about a new Yeezy, the Yeezy Foam Runner, the sand colorway today. I'm gonna break this one down so you guys resell as well. Fire shoe, let's go. Welcome back to the channel everyone. Like I said, today we are talking about a new Yeezy Foam Runner. This right here, the one I copped, is the sand colorway. There's been a couple that have come out, but this is honestly probably my favorite one so far that has dropped. So lucky to have this one in hand. Stock was pretty low. And this one was actually part of two Yeezys that came out, the Foam Runner Sand and then also the Mineral Blue released for the first time. This one was a small restock, but I'm glad I hit on them today and we're gonna break this shoe down. If you guys haven't seen a video where I break shoes down, we're basically gonna unbox this one, talk about the history, I'll go through the release, all that stuff, how I copped the shoe, and then at the end of the video, I'll get into a resale guide. Kind of important with these ones. I know a lot of people are wondering what they should do with them because like we saw with the sand, we saw a restock of them. I'm gonna break all that down at the end of the video. And then before I get into unboxing these today, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, leave a big like today, pushes it out to everyone else who's looking for content just like this. Appreciate the support. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Definitely gonna do a huge giveaway there. Even might do one around 750, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, but let's get into it today. So the Yeezy Foam Runner is a newer Yeezy model that has been pretty hot since it's come out. We had that Air Wrap first colorway come out. We had the sand, we got the Mineral Blue that just came out. We also have like the moon color where we've seen some like mock-ups designs with a red colorway and also like another like kind of yellowish colorway as well. Those are fire. I'm super excited for more of these to come out. I think it's a fire shoe, and also I think as Yeezy Gap comes out, we are supposed to see some colors go in store for Gap or online on Gap. So we should see some more colors coming out or restocks, hopefully, because I think these shoes are fire. I mean, material wise, they're definitely trying to save materials, trying to save, make it on a budget. That's why they retail so low, but either way, it is a fire shoe. As far as the release goes, these ones just barely came out, and we had the Mineral Blue colorway and this sand one come out the same exact day. So we had the Mineral Blue colorway come out. Stock was about 20,000 between the sites. We had adult sizes, preschool, toddler. They're super dope. I love that one too. I didn't hit on that one, but we did get this sand one, and the sand colorway had about 10K stock on the restock. We did have them released a little bit ago, and they came out again in just adult sizes again, but a restock, I know some people hit, it was pretty tough. Yeezy Supply, of course, was pretty hard to hit on. Luckily, I got through the queue, blessed on Yeezy Supply. Recently, they've been giving me some big dubs, but we did get through there, hit on these ones on Yeezy Supply, and then I know Adidas confirmed also had this, but they were loaded as that raffle pair, and sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't. A lot of stock is allocated to Yeezy Supply and Adidas, so I know a lot of people got some success from there, but either way, tough release. If you guys copped, fire shoe, be lucky that you copped, because this one's a super tough one to hit on. Taking these bad boys out, you can see, I mean, right off the bat, the box seems kind of plain, but the inside is super fire. You have the foam right here, as well as the like runner on this inside of it. And I mean, I think Kanye just went crazy with these ones. I know they're super budget. They don't have the most like premium materials or color blocking, anything like that. But I just think it's a fire shoe. I think it's a different shoe. And that's one thing I love about Yeezys is how different and like just out there and like futuristic they are. I just love the different models. And this one's definitely one of my favorite models. And the box is that typical brown Yeezy box, but they do have the foam and the runner detail on the inside this time. Interesting that they decided to put the foam part on the inside instead of the outside. I think it just has to do with them making budgeted materials, as the box definitely isn't as good as a typical like 350 boost box, 500, stuff like that. But I do really like that foam and the runner on the inside of it. I think it's a good touch. I like that it flips open as well. I think that's kind of cool instead of sliding out. Just a little bit different things they did on it. But I mean, I think they still could have maybe put like a Yeezy YZY on like the top or the side or something. Either way, not a bad box, but nothing special. Taking them out, I mean, guys, this is one model. I feel like if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you just think it's absolutely ugly. I've talked to some people that really don't like it, and some people that think it's actually kind of cool. The different like foam molded material around the shoe, as well as like on the outsole. I think it's pretty sick, and I like the model. The upper is just a crazy looking foam molded upper with various cutouts along the shoe. I mean, for real, the upper is what makes the Yeezy Foam Runner what it is. You can kind of see it's kind of all meshed together with that different molded upper with the foam. And I mean, I just love the color. I love the different various like oval shaped cutouts around the shoe. And so that upper is composed of all that foam there, the Eva foam, and it's just crazy. I mean, the cushion's nice, that upper is super soft, but again, it is just foam, so it's not like anything premium, anything special. But I mean, if you're hitting it retail, it's 80 bucks retail, and I mean, that's cheap. So you get what you pay for. They are definitely trying to save material and cost on it to make it a budget shoe, and I do expect this one to come out in Gap stores, but this is a very nice shoe, and I love the cutouts on the upper. And the midsole is actually formed into the upper kind of just because of the foam. And so like I was talking about with the upper, the midsole too, it's all kind of just molded together, that one shape of foam. And the foam is actually a lightweight Eva foam, and that foam is also combined with harvested algae, yeah, legit algae on the shoe to kind of give it the color, kind of the feel and the design as well. So all that meshed together is what makes not only the upper, the midsole, but also the outsole, which we will talk about. But I mean, the foam is, like I talked about, it's foam. It is soft, but it's not super premium quality materials. But if you like the model of it, I think in hand they look so much better. I liked them from the original pictures, but in hand, on foot, money. And then again, the outsole is also formed into the upper and the midsole of the shoe. And so nothing super crazy on the outsole, nothing crazy as far as the whole shoe goes, but I just think the hype behind it really just drives the shoe. And I mean, like I said, there's really nothing too special about it other than it's just a different shoe. It's not a $300 Yeezy, not a $250 Yeezy, but just a cheaper budget model Yeezy that a lot of people can wear in the summer. You can throw on. It's kind of like the Yeezy clog, the Yeezy croc is what Kanye kind of deemed the shoe. And so I just think they did a really good job of making more of a budget Yeezy that I think a lot of people could wear. I just think the next step is keep making more colors, keep making it more available, because I think this is one shoe that could hit for years to come. It could become the new Croc. So I think when Kanye comes with Gap and kind of makes some more shoes like that, I definitely think this one will hit good. And Resale is also showing that right now. We'll take a look on StockX real quick. All right, so right here you can see the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway. No half sizes come in any of the foam runners right now. I don't think that'll change. I think it might be kind of hard to make that foam half size really. Crocs also don't really come in half sizes either. So these ones right here, you can see prices going nuts right now. I mean, the Foam Runner Sand, which has already came out, and this is a restock, is already sitting above $280 in basically all sizes. And I mean, this is with people getting pairs in from this drop. People have definitely got their pairs in and sold the ones they have, not wanting to hold. And this one's gonna do very, very well over time. This is one of those shoes that is kind of like restock proof. If you get like wave runners, like those will continue to restock. I think it's like 3 or 4 times now those have come out, and prices still are sky high on them. Also, I think like a zebra colorway, like there's certain shoes that if they restock, they're still gonna fly. And this is one of them that I think is gonna keep restocking in different colors and stuff like that. But I think prices are definitely gonna be very nice. If you guys are looking to sell or hold this shoe, my advice with it is, right now, definitely don't sell. Wait for the pairs to kind of get circulated from this last restock. But I think the sand colorway is one that this summer would be a good move to sell. I think it's a lighter colorway, and I think in the summer people will be wanting to wear this one. So I would wait till about July, August to sell this pair. If you guys hit the mineral blue pair, it's kind of more of a blackish pair, but that one I think could easily be a hold throughout the rest of the year. So that's kind of my advice there. Don't sell yet with these foam runners, but I know people in consignment shops sell these for the high, the absolute high. So everyone's looking to buy these. So don't feel like you're in a rush to sell them, but I think they are either a good hold or a good sell. But like I said, summer with these ones and the mineral blues, I'd sell towards the end of the year, December, maybe even into January. That's gonna do it for today's video, you guys. I am so hyped that I hit on the foam runners. I was definitely wanting them since that first Ararat colorway came out, and I'm glad I hit on one today. Personal size, you guys know what I'm doing with these, but if you guys like the content today, again, leave a big like down below. Comment if you guys like the foam runners. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'm excited for them. Looking to maybe get that mineral blue colorway. If you guys have like a size 11, let your boy know. But that's gonna do it for today's video. We'll see you guys next time.